Alright, hey everybody, Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors. Gonna make some little lunch out here on the property today, and what I'm gonna make is I'm going to make some all-natural Chipotle and Monterey jack cheese chicken sausages. So I'm just gonna use my Mora knife here, and I'm going to open this package and make two up for myself. I got some hot dogs buns, I got a little bit of Golden's mustard, got my stove as always, my Coleman stove, and I've got my trusty cast iron skillet. So I'm gonna go ahead and fry these up in that skillet and have me some lunch. So let me open the package and get the stove lit, and then we'll cook these up for you real quick and kind of show you what we're gonna do. Alright folks, got the Coleman stove all lit up, beautiful blue flame. Really happy with the performance. Going to put down my button here, and I'm going to go ahead and open up these sausages with my knife. I'm just going to take this out right here, and let's go ahead and open these real quick. I'm sure there's an end I could probably peel open, isn't there? Yeah, there is. Okay, so I don't even need my knife. I'm just going to use this end right here and see if I can peel these open. They're in my... we brought a cooler of food out, so let me see if I can get these open real quick and kind of, there we go, perfect. So I'm just going to drop these right into my cast iron skillet. I'm going to put this over here and get that on the flame right there, and then I'm going to go ahead and put these back in the cooler for another time. So absolutely love chicken sausages, and again, perhaps you saw me mention one of my other videos. So I have gout, so I have to avoid red meat. So a lot of the meals that you see me prepare are mostly chicken based, or pasta and stuff like that sometimes. So that's why I do that. So so these are just some great chicken Chipotle Monterey cheese. It's gonna be super spicy and delicious. I'm gonna throw some golden spicy brown mustard on there. It's gonna be great. So let these cook up in the frying pan here a little bit in my trusty cast iron skillet, and kind of put it all together for you at the end. Just another quick camp meal, so please stick around, and we'll show you the end product. Alright everybody, just a quick word from some of the supporters of the channel. First Slammer Series turkey calls. They're made by a hunter for hunters. If you're looking for a new turkey call, visit www.slammerseries.com. Also, Aqua Leisure Services LLC, serving the Rehoboth Beach, Delaware and surrounding areas, meeting all your pool and spa needs. Science Scientists, providing a broad range of services including wall, murals, vehicle wraps, design, print, and marketing services. Regardless of your business requirements, their experts are up to the task. Visit www.sciencescientist.com or call 919-685-7641. Also, Tactical Creations. We're a small personalized business that's here to help you personalize items to make the gift that you give that much more special. Visit www.tacticalcreation.com or call 770-548-2691. If you're interested in purchasing any NC Piedmont Outdoors apparel or Slammer Series apparel, visit our Teespring site. The link is in the description box. Hey everybody, these brats are cooking up really nice. I added a little bit of vegetable oil here to my pan. I've got them frying up. They're starting to bubble up, the juices. Got some cheese squirting out of there, so this looks absolutely awesome. So I think another few minutes on here, and they'll be perfectly ready to go, ready to eat. So I'll bring you back when I'm ready to slap them in a roll with some spicy mustard. Stay tuned. Alright everybody, these chicken brats are good and cooked. They look delicious. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the gas, and let's get these puppies right here. Oh yeah, come here. There you go. Perfect. Look at that. Look at that right there. Oh yeah, look at that. That's going to be my lunch right now. Get me some nice Golden's mustard here, and I'm just going to pour some of that on. Oh yeah. Alright, make sure that gets in the garbage. Check that out. Absolutely delicious looking chicken brats with some, jalapeno Monterey Jack spicy brown mustard. The only thing that would make this better if I had some pepper and onions with it, but I just didn't bring any out to the property. So I'm just going to sit back and enjoy this. So folks, thanks again for watching. If you like what you see, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. We'll have another video for you soon. Appreciate everybody watching. Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, and we'll have another video for you soon. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.